Me and old fatheads at it again. And we go into Chili's. So come along with us. And that's, oh Lord. See? Let's see what it's like in here tonight. Y'all stay with us. So we had to feed ourselves because there was nobody up front. So, I mean, no big deal. We waited up there a couple minutes and nobody ever showed up. So we asked them, could we sit over here near the bar? And they said, yeah, go ahead. So we seated ourselves, waiting on drink orders. Stay with us. All right, I'm gonna get past all the drink stuff. We ordered some queso. I call it mud. That stuff right there. And chips. We ordered a couple teas. This is some stuff they got. Burgers. Look at this thing. Oh, Lord. That's big. I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty good. I got an idea what I want, but I might have to see. I know that right there is good because I've had that before. That's good. So y'all stay with us. When this madness is over, I'll be having this. Oh, you talking about good. Molten chocolate cake. That's it right there. I could probably eat that as a meal. All right, we got the chips, but we didn't get the queso yet. It's coming.
Too late.
There it is, right there. There it is, right there. Look at that. All right, we're eating chips, and we done ordered food. It appeared at first that the waitress was kind of like running around, like she didn't have any help. Don't know. She's been over here several times to ask us about stuff. Nothing major. She just come and took our order and she said, appreciate you being patient with me. So far I'm impressed. We ain't waited on much. So service is good so far. We're now waiting on food. I ordered ribs with corn and fries, and Troy ordered boneless wings. And we're just kind of digging on these appetizers right now, the mud and the salsa. Waiting on some more chips. But what I personally observed was this lady taking on multiple tables by herself. How many tables?
Like 7 or 8.
Like 7 or 8 tables by herself. So she's running her butt off and doing a good job at it. So this is the second batch of chips and salsa. The mud is gone, but the chips are endless and the salsa's endless, and it's good. I don't think you would eat a dirty baby diaper, boy.
That's disgusting.
He would. I'm telling you, he would. All right, there's old fathead stuff. We got some green sticks.
Fat head. What's wrong with that? My head is not fat.
It kind of looks fat. Okay. I got ribs. I got some barbecue and some dry rub. That looks pretty good. Fries. She's bringing us some ranch back, so stay tuned. Something got my lips on fire. And I think it's that stuff right there. I don't know what it is. I don't know what Chipotle tastes like, but I'm almost betting that's Chipotle. I think I'm allergic to that crap. Hope I don't start swelling up. I think my lips are swelling up. You see them? So good I can't stop. All right, we're not just contemplating. We're gonna get the chocolate molten lava cake.
Me too.
pretty. That sounded weird, didn't it? Now we're gonna split it, but we ain't gonna be double dipping or nothing like that. I don't swing that way. So I'm gonna take a knife and cut it right down the middle. I'm gonna slide his half over, and we're gonna chocolate boat and lava cake. We're gonna have to be near the truck because this stuff right here hits you faster than darn shrimp sauce from the Japanese restaurant. So stay with us. So it'll be fun. Oh, look at here. Look at what this princess brought us. Look at this. Can you cut it for me? I'm kidding. We'll cut it. We'll cut it. We're gonna cut this thing. All right, look here. Hold on. All right, watch very carefully here. And look, that look like your part over there on that side where you at?
Sure.
I'm kidding. All right, that sucker right down the middle, bro. She said the middle was gonna fall out. I don't care. There we go. All right, get your end and we're good to go. I'm eating off my plate now. I don't want your dirty paws nowhere near my cake. I cut you. You ain't gonna be picked. Good Lord, you did. Look at that.
What'd you say? That's right.
I thought he couldn't pick it up. He picked it up. He's gonna scrape the darn plate over here. So.
You do realize that you gave me the bigger piece.
Yeah, whatever. What do you think, punk?
I think I got the bigger piece.
I was trying to shortchange and that backfired on me. Can't even do nothing right for myself.
It's good.
It is good. That is a perfect ending to a meal right there. And the perfect beginning of probably a run to the bathroom in a minute. So y'all stick around. All right, let me see if I can get this done here. Take 245. Oh boy, got tickled. He done got me tickled. There's the carnage. What you got? What you got going on?
I'm trying to go down the wrong hole.
Anyway, this is what's left. And it was good. I have to say, I gotta give everything a 10.
Yeah, it was pretty awesome.
It was good. The waitress was fighting tables over here, and she kept up, and all the food was good. And I'm gonna tell you something. I'm not a big fan of Chili's, and it's not because anything's wrong. I'm just not a big fan of Chili's because there's not many things here I eat. Molten lava cake I eat. Ribs I eat. The queso I eat. But other than that, it's not a place with a lot of flexibility on the menu for me because I just don't eat a lot of different stuff here. So for me to come in here was a feat anyway, but I'm gonna have to give it a 10. I think it was great. What say you there, fathead?
10.
I gave it a 10 too. So check Chili's out. It's actually just off of Blvd Boulevard in Rock Hill, South Carolina, right beside the Hilton Garden Inn. So if you're ever over this way, check them out. Till next time, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.